back, soul family. It's LaLaRay here, and today we are witnessing a rare cosmic dance. So cool. From May 20th until the 24th, early risers looking into the eastern sky can actually see a vertical alignment of Saturn, the crescent moon, and Venus. What does this mean? How can you experience it? And what messages are hidden in the stars? Stay with me through this journey where science and spirit become one. By the end of the video, you'll not only understand the astronomical event itself, but you'll also discover how this planetary energy can guide your inner alignment. Scientifically, this alignment isn't a full planetary parade, but it's still a stunning visual. And on May 22nd, the moon will rest near Saturn, and by May 23rd, it will align closely with Venus. This creates a vertical formation viewable from Earth. And the bonus? Earth shine. That ghostly glow on the dark side of the viewable crescent moon. It's sunlight reflected off of Earth's surface. It's poetic, actually, but it's real and visible with the naked eye just before dawn. This event is possible due to the current positioning of their orbits around the sun. Venus is closer to Earth and Saturn is much farther away. But the illusion of alignment teaches us how perspective shapes reality. Let's go a little deeper. Saturn is the planet of karma, time, discipline, and the moon is your inner world, intuition, memory, the unconscious. Venus, it brings grace, love, beauty. And when they align, it's an energetic invitation. Can you bring structure to your emotions and harmony to your responsibilities? Spiritually, it's a message from the universe to merge logic with love. It encourages us to trust our inner voice while building a grounded, purposeful life. I really encourage you to meditate during this time, journal your intentions, and reflect on your relationships. Watch what comes up. You just might receive divine clarity. And here is how to make the most of this alignment. Step 1, wake up early, 45 minutes or so before the sunrise, and look to the eastern horizon. Try to find a spot. Nature is going to be ideal. Try to find a spot though without like city lights and let your eyes just adjust. The planets don't twinkle. They're gonna glow steadily. You can also use apps like Stellarium or Sky Tonight. So set the date and time. Track Saturn and Venus in relation to the crescent moon. What do they call them? Binoculars? Yeah, I think I said that right. Yeah, binoculars. They're optional, but not required. Definitely would get a better view that way. But trust your senses and your experience too. We'll take just a quick break. I want to ask you if you're enjoying this journey with me so far. If you are, would you consider hitting that like button on this video and share it with someone who you think would love this celestial wisdom too? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Join our soul family. Together here, we make the cosmos feel like home. Okay, during this time, during this alignment, specifically this alignment, I want you to take time to ground yourself. This is perfect time for that. Consider lighting a candle right before dawn. You can hold a crystal like rose quartz or labradorite, and meditate. Reflect on where you need more love, structure, and clarity in your life. Breathe. Let yourself be held in this moment. You're a reflection of the stars above. This cosmic event is brief, but its invitation is timeless. May you take the energy of Saturn, Moon, and Venus into your day with grace, strength, and softness. Remember, even when the sky is cloudy, you are still aligned, and the universe is always guiding you. Trust that. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for growing with us here at LaLaRay. I am LaLaRay, and it's my honor to journey with you. And until next time, my friends, keep looking up and keep looking within.